Alright, so this video is installing WebDev 28 in cluster mode as adding a new, this is our second node. So we will agree to that. Next, we'll key in our serial number. We'll take the default, do cluster, joining cluster, take the default. All right, it's completed. We can go back to our other server. That's not what I wanted. That. And that. And two. Bongo. And it should be that simple. That's about the 10th time I've done it. So, and it worked this time. So, learning a lot of stuff about the install of the first node and getting all of your settings right is key. Seems like making sure you have all the remote services, remote management services, all of this stuff on, all of it set up right and configured, and it's really cool to see all these working. We've never used these before, and this is the first time we've actually had the remote app, a remote admin web running and used it. And so anyway, that's as simple as it can be, looks like. And so I've got another one to do to add to it, and we can start testing.